Hi, I'm Jim Hudson. Let's talk about the operation of the TC33M Tire Changer. I have my platen height here set to the middle position. I've got a 3-height platen adjustment here, but the middle position is comfortable for most operators and accommodates most wheels really well, so that's where I'll start. Got a center clamp design here, similar to our other center clamp machines here with a quick clamp. So I can come down, I can clamp that wheel up nice and quick. Now, I have a roller bead breaker cassette over here on the right side, so it's important to watch kind of my diameter adjustment. It's actually built into the control pendant. So as I move that control pendant in and out, I move those rollers in and out to set for various diameters. So I bring that cassette in, kind of bring this upper roller in toward the edge of the wheel. All right, so it's important to note with this machine that bead breaking needs to happen with counterclockwise rotation here. Otherwise, rotating clockwise just had a tendency to push this roller cassette out of the way. So I have full speed counterclockwise rotation to go ahead and break those beads nice and fast. Now bring my roller down and in. With that second stage of that switch, I can go ahead and activate the hydraulic pump that not only brings the roller down, but brings it in at the same time to sort of automatically indent. Got a mirror here to check out what's going on my lower roller, make sure I got the bead broken. Can go ahead and clear those bead breaking rollers out of the way completely. From there, it's just a standard head, standard mount demount operation here with the levered head. So, all right, I want to mind my TPMS position here like I would with any tire changing operation. When I'm demounting my beads here, up and out of the way. A little bit of bead lube here before I remount this tire. Again, pretty standard. I'll watch my TPMS position. Get that out of the way. And as with any levered head, you want to make sure that we are mounting those beads in an over-under condition. So we're mounting with the bead over the leading edge of the head and under the trailing edge of the head. Same with the top bead. I'll get my TPMS in position. Now I have an optional bead press arm here that's equipped on this machine to use to make sure I keep that top bead in the drop center all the way around. That's very, very important on top bead mount on any tire changer. So I'll go ahead and deploy that here. My bead press out of the way. I have an inflation system over here on the left, and I have a 2-stage pedal here. It's a center pedal here in the front of the machine. So the first stage of the pedal activates the air out the chuck. The second stage of the pedal activates my blast inflation. So I have a built-in blast inflation tank here on this machine. If I needed to on a larger tire, I can bring this nozzle in, bring it against the side of the wheel, and have blast inflation at hand as well. The second stage of the pedal activates that blast inflation when I push down hard on that inflation pedal. So obviously I don't need it on this particular this tire. I got it seated up. Go ahead and unclamp. All right, and just like that, I got this tire demounted and remounted. Now this machine, as you can see, has a lot of really familiar features to it. We have a 3-height cam platen. We've got roller bead breaking, standard levered head, the bead press arm that you see on our other center clamp machines. So it really, even though it's a mobile focused tire changer, it's designed really to be small and light first and foremost. It really is a very capable machine, very easy to use machine in a very, very compact package. So for more operations and training videos, check out hunter.com or the Hunter Learning Channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching and have a great day.